Welcome to our wood workshop. In this video, we're excited to showcase our automated wood planer, a game changer in precision and efficiency. Watch as we demonstrate its key features, from setup to operation, making wood preparation a breeze. This tool not only enhances productivity, but also ensures top-notch quality for all our woodworking projects. Stay tuned to see how it revolutionizes our workflow and elevates our craft. This CNC wood lathe is a new version with automatic knife rotation E, manufactured in Vietnam. The automatic knife rotation feature helps in achieving smooth and uniform cuts on the wood. It is a valuable investment for craftsmen and woodworkers seeking to boost producitivity and craftsmanship. The speed of the wood peeler is hundreds of times faster than that of a human. Shorten the time to complete work. Rounding and milling machine Sherwood of 28, designed for the manufacture of rounded logs. With a longitudinal groove and a compensatory cut, for lying in a log house with a diameter from 180 to 320 millimeters. That machine allows you to process logs of different lengths, from 4.5 to 6 mm. Circular saws are powerful tools with toothed blades designed to cut through wood logs. They can make precise and efficient cuts, often used in construction and woodworking. Circular saws are versatile, able to cut logs into desired lengths and shapes. Safety precautions are essential when using circular saws due to their sharp blades. Its efficient design allows for intricate wood turning with ease and accuracy. The machine's user-friendly interface makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. With its advanced features, the Lin Hote Meet 50 2.0 is a reliable choice for woodworking enthusiasts. The automatic, closed production line in the factory has a capacity equivalent to 1,000 skilled workers.